Thanks very much, Anna. Well, many of us enjoyed some warm sunshine through the weekend, and we've still got some sunshine to be had over parts of the country through today, and still quite respectable too, the temperatures. Much higher in Aberdeen compared to yesterday at 16. Less warm in the southeast, but still 20 or 21 is not too bad for early May, and pretty respectable elsewhere across the country into the mid to high teens. Now, the main factor for this warm air is the southerly wind, but as we lose that through the week, it is going to turn cooler and noticeably chilly across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland for Thursday and Friday as the winds come in from the west or northwest. Now, for the coming week, it's going to remain very mixed as well. In fact, for the rest of today, we've got some torrential downpours around, and they're going to give poor travelling conditions, especially on the faster routes. In fact, we've got a band moving through Wales through the rest of today, some developing across central and eastern England and across Northern Ireland. And it'll also remain misty and murky around the southern and western coast, but some brighter skies around with some sunshine, notably through the central lowlands up into towards the northeast of Scotland. And of course, we've got the Women's FA Cup final this afternoon between Charlton and Everton. Should see a lot of dry, bright weather with some sunshine, but also the risk of a few showers, and you can catch that live on BBC One and BBC Two. Now, through this evening and tonight, many of the showers dying away from central and eastern parts of England, but as you can see, a lot of cloud over many northern and western areas, giving us some further outbreaks of shower rain, but not a particularly cool May night anywhere. But it does start off rather damp and dreary in many western and northern areas with some outbreaks of rain, but a generally dry and bright start down the eastern side. But like today, we'll see showers developing as we go through the day. Again, some of them turning out to be heavy and torrential, possibility of hail and thunder mixed in as well. But late in the afternoon, we'll start to see some drier, brighter skies just creeping into the far northwest. They'll be coupled with some northwesterly winds, turning it cooler, only highs of 10 or 11 here. Elsewhere, less warm than today, but still getting into the mid to high teens. That's the high 60s Fahrenheit. Now, during Wednesday, we see just a few showers in the southeast, but for most of us, it's another dry and bright day. Plenty of sunshine around, but some thicker cloud coming into the north with some outbreaks of rain, turning increasingly breezy, linked with this frontal system, making its way further southwards through Wednesday night and for Thursday. So we'll see it bring some cloud and rain for Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, northern England. Some brighter, drier weather to the south, but cooler, brighter weather to the north with blustery showers. Now back to you, Anna.